So most people, when they're looking to make content for YouTube, they're asking themselves the question, what do I want to say? Now, to me, that is totally the wrong question. You need to be asking yourself, what is my future client asking and how are they typing that online? And this is how I frame it. So I've spent years online helping founders, one-person business owners get discovered in search and put their products and services out there to the world. But the most important thing is showing up in search, and not just showing up to the right people. So fully understanding what people are typing into search will help you immensely when you start to create your content. And until Google stops being the most visited platform online, I am going to keep making content for Google and YouTube, because this is how I show up online and this is how I serve my customers. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by this entire process, how I use AnswerThePublic to do a reverse domain search on any site and then search for keywords that your future customers will be typing in so you can create content to show up for them. So if you feel like your messaging is a little bit off and you don't know what to create next, this video is for you. Let's dive in. So a quick Google search just to say what is the most visited website in the world right now or on the planet, you're going to get reports similar to this one, just underlining that Google is still the most visited website in the world. This is of April 2026. There were other reports as well, but still underlining that google.com is the most visited platform. Now, it's really difficult in this day and age to create articles to show up in Google, but my strategy is creating videos for YouTube to show up in Google. And also you'll be showing up in YouTube. YouTube is owned by Google, it's owned by Alphabet, so they do cross promote quite nicely. So that's why I believe that YouTube is still the biggest opportunity online these days. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So I'm going to go over to a tool called AnswerThePublic. It's a free tool. It's by Neil Patel. If you wanted to take this a step further, you could subscribe to AnswerThePublic or even Ubersuggest, which is another tool by Neil Patel, which goes into it a little bit deeper. But if you just go to AnswerThePublic.com, you've got a couple of options here. You can actually have a look at your business and you can have a look at your main keywords. So first of all, you've got to understand who you are and who you serve, or who you would like to serve if you've just started out. And if you have a domain with a website, a good port of call is to start with this. So if I was to go to timpeakman.com and just grab my domain, copy that, and then paste it into here. So put your business domain in here, analyze my website. I want it in English, and actually most of my clients are in the US, and then just hit search. This is going to do a bit of a reverse domain search. And if you haven't used this before, it's going to give you a few free searches on this. So whilst this is running, I'm going to open a new tab. And another good exercise is just to Google yourself. If you're trying to show up in YouTube and Google, or specifically Google, then go through this exercise. Google yourself. This is my domain. It's showing up for myself. There are some other personal brands. Tim Peakman's out there. There's another Chief Operating Officer here of Leeds University, UK Biobank. He shows up. But more often than not, my website, my socials, my gov.uk company's house, my about page, some of the articles that I've been published in, and YouTube shows up for anyone searching my name. If it was a keyword you were going to go after, I'm going to type in Kajabi, because Kajabi is a platform that I create a lot of content for. And ideally, you'd want to show up on the homepage of Kajabi or the keyword that you're trying to go for. But if I was to have a look at some of the YouTube videos, here I'm showing up on the first page of video. There I am again, showing up on the first page of video. I have created a number of videos to show up in YouTube and Google for that keyword Kajabi. And I've understood all of this by doing a lot of keyword research. So back now into answerthepublic.com, and it's finished its full report. And this is the best thing about this, gives you some AI suggested content ideas. Here is some of the best content for AI visibility, some of the short tail content. And again, if you wanted to pay for this, it's going to give you a lot more, but just start with the free version so you've got an idea. So these are your main keywords showing up, and it's going to give you some clusters. So how to start a YouTube channel, and then from that, start YouTube channel as expert. So it's actually bringing together some of the most searched for phrases, keywords, and key phrases that potentially I could create content on, or to try and rank against that search. So I'm all about search engines, Google and YouTube. Even Pinterest is a search engine. So pick a platform to show up. My strategy is Google/YouTube, but YouTube first, because as you've seen in my example, the videos show up in Google as well. So you're getting that double tap. But really go through these reports and understand what your future customer could be searching for you then to create content to show up for them. So a nice function in this layout is business summary. So if you just click on the top right, it will give you obviously your business name, business type, a little bit about you. This is all scraped from your homepage. Remember, some key features, unique value proposition. This is how AI sees you online. Some of your target customers, this is really interesting for me. It was giving me a few, I think it was about 3 or 4 different types of target customer, and then some of your focus topics here. So if you are lost on what to create next, or who could be your potential future customer, then have a look at this business summary, because this might just dial you in a little bit. And if you haven't got a domain yet, I would choose someone within your niche that you're either looking to aspire towards or modeling their business on, and then click on their domain, put their domain in here and see what keywords fall out of that. So I'm going to go back over into the main area here, and I'm going to cancel this project, confirm. And what I'm going to do is go back into Answer the Public, because I'm going to just do a reverse keyword search. So if I wanted to look at creating my next piece of content around the keyword Kajabi, I want to understand what people are searching for. So I'm just going to switch over to the keyword search, and I'm just going to type in Kajabi. And again, I'm going to target the US and hit search. And all this is going to do, again, it's going to scrape that Kajabi keyword search, and it's going to give you a summary of what it thinks people are searching for specifically around that keyword. So if you were a plumber, if you were a coach, if you were a teacher, try and type in a really relevant keyword to you and your market, and then it will give you some examples of what people are actually searching for. So once it's actually finished populating its summary, you can have a look and see what some of the main keyword phrases are. So this is all around Kajabi. So this is a real neat thing here. Some of the AI models, they're being cited by using how to build a membership site with an all-in-one digital platform. So that's fantastic if you're looking to create content around this. And just note the keyword Kajabi is not in this, so they might cite your work if you've got a title, an article, or a video with these keywords in it. Search engines, Kajabi login, Kajabi logo, Kajabi LLC, Kajabi landing pages. You can click deeper into these and see what other longer tail keywords have got. And then shopping, social media, this is what some of the people are actually searching for. So Kajabi, landing page, templates, if you were just to click generate content, it would give you ideas on what you could create around that content to show up for Kajabi landing page templates. And here, best platforms for creating and selling online courses. All you need to do is click generate content. It's going to ask you a number of things here. I'm going to create content, and it's just going to give you an idea, a starter for 10, put in your business website, start an analysis, and maybe even pay for, maybe even get a free trial, 7 days with Answer the Public. This is all just a starter for 10, understanding who your future customers could be, what their language is, and then creating content that actually mirrors back some of their terminology. And this is how I create content that actually gets shown up. I can have a look at the search volumes of different keywords, create that content, and then position it to show up before people actually search. So that's it, a simple way of using AnswerThePublic.com, Neil Patel's tool, to predict what people are going to be searching in the future due to search volumes and past search history. Remember that a good exercise is just to go and Google yourself if you're trying to build a personal brand, or Google your main keyword to see where you show up either in Google or YouTube. And once you have a good idea of the terminology your future customers are using, use that terminology to help create your future content. And this is just one of the tools that I use to run my one-person online six-figure business. And I've been using this for the past number of years. But if you would like to see other tools that I use, I have a free checklist guide. All you need to do is head to timpeakman.com/tools, download your free checklist, and check off whether you're using the same tools as me or whether you want to change to use the same tools as me from what you're using. I'm going to give you the full list, free and paid tools and AI tools now that I use to run my business. That link once more, timpeakman.com/tools. Hopefully this video has provided you with some value and you've got a better idea of understanding what content to create next. I look forward to seeing you on the very next video.